Advent season, fourth week, Gospel reflection. Things which are very necessary for the birth of Jesus in my life. We are very close to the event of Christmas. Today's reading calls us to reflect about the very important things which are necessary for the birth of Jesus Christ. First of all, we need to be filled with the grace of God. Hail Mary, full of grace. These are the greetings of the angel to Mary. These greetings show the aspect of grace which is found in Mary. Grace was very much necessary for the birth of Jesus, which was really found in Jesus. We need to be filled with grace, and in order to prepare ourselves for the birth of Jesus, Sacrament of Reconciliation is one of the ways to prepare ourselves and to fill ourselves with the grace of God. Secondly, we need to be with the Lord. The Lord is with you. This is the second part of angel's greeting, which shows that since Mary was with God, God also was with Mary. Being with God or in the presence of God is very necessary for the birth of Jesus. God is always with us, but the question is, are we with God? At times, we are everywhere except with God. Without being with God, one cannot expect to have the birth of Jesus in our life. By reading the Word of God, by doing our various spiritual duties, by praying regularly and meditating on the Word of God, we can be with God. Thirdly, we need to find favor of God. Mary, for you have found favor with God. Mary found favor of God because of her righteous life. Special and extraordinary things are given to the favored one because one who gives them is sure that they will be faithful to the things which are given. They will do all the possible things and be ready to sacrifice anything for the things to happen in their life. God's favor lies in acceptability, faithfulness, readiness to face all the possible challenges in carrying out the responsibility, and readiness to offer one's life for God's sake. Such things come in the concept of favored one, and it is not a blind favor based on likings. Such aspects of favor were found in Mary, so she was favored by God. Do I have the above aspects which are necessary for God's favor? Unless we are favored by God, the birth of Jesus will not happen in my life. What things I need to pay attention in order to find favor of God in my life? Fourthly, we need to clarify our doubts. But Mary said to the angel, "How can this be, since I have no relation with a man?" Doubts are the part of our life. We get many doubts based on our reasoning capacity. Mary, too, had many doubts, but she, with a sincere heart, clarified them. A doubtful mind is always dangerous, which does not give consent for anything. Unless one gives consent for something, nothing happens in life. Mary clarified the doubts and she was ready to receive Jesus in her life. Clarifying my doubts is very necessary to prepare myself for the birth of Jesus. Listening to God and others is the best solution to clarify one's doubts. Fifthly, we need to become the handmaids of the Lord. Behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. Handmaid is the one who carries out the will of the Master. Handmaidness speaks about the humility and the willingness to carry out God's plan in her life. Am I ready to become the handmaid of the Lord, which is necessary for the birth of Jesus in my life? Sixthly, things to happen according to God's will. May it be done to me according to your word. Ultimately, Mary agreed for the will of God to happen in her life. Giving complete control of her life to God, which speaks about her trust, total confidence, and courage and willingness. Am I ready to offer myself for the will of God to happen in my life? Only then Jesus will be able to take birth in my life. Am I ready for the birth of Jesus